dealing with chronic illness, chronic symptoms, autoimmune, anything of this nature that's an ongoing health concern, making medical decisions. Now, I'm not talking about urgent medical decisions. That is between yourself and your doctor. But if it's a non-urgent medical decision, for example, you've had a discussion with your doctor or naturopath or any other health practitioner, and they've given you a few options, or you're collecting different options from a variety of practitioners or people that you've got in your wellness team, that can be a bit of information overload, and this can put you in either into a state of like freeze or running away from that decision, trying to avoid it, put it off. And that can be because of the pressure that you're putting on yourself. So if you feel like you're putting some pressure on yourself or you're getting overwhelmed with the decision, tapping is a great way to just let it go for a moment. Let your nervous system come back to calm so that you can look at things rationally instead of a place of panicking. So if you haven't done EFT tapping with me before, just follow along. We're going to be tapping on acupressure points along the body. Follow along, repeat what I'm saying, either in your head or out loud. Both ways will work. And just sit with me for the next few moments as we tap together, and really just allow yourself to trust this process. Okay. Even though I'm not sure which direction I need to take right now, I can choose to be patient with myself in this moment. Even though I do not know if I can trust myself to make the right decision about my health right now, I can choose to let go of the pressure on myself to make this decision right now. It is okay to lessen this pressure on myself. I'm not sure which strategy, which intervention, or which protocol is right for me. So many different ways, naturally, conventionally, alternative methods. It's a lot of information to take in, and I can feel myself either freezing, or maybe I'm feeling myself wanting to run away from it all. Maybe I feel the pressure to choose something that I know someone else in my life would approve of. That could be a family member, a coach, doctor, or other practitioner. There's so much noise. I can't even hear myself think right now. I really wish that I didn't have to make this decision. It's overwhelming, and I really don't know if I can make one right now. We'll now do something called a 9-gamut sequence. Continue to follow along. So just tapping on this soft point here, looking straight ahead, eyes open, eyes closed, eyes open again, look down, hard left, look down, hard right, move your eyes in a clockwise direction, now anti-clockwise, humming a tune, counting to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, humming a tune. Great. Back to the top of the head. All this remaining confusion, all this remaining pressure, I'm going to take a moment to pause, to really feel where it lies within me. Now, as we continue to tap on the points, let's take some slower, conscious breaths in and out of your heart space. Just imagine that breath going in your heart and out. And simply ask yourself, where does this feeling sit in my body? Maybe there's also a colour. Sense or picture the location and keep your attention on it as we keep tapping. Let's send that location compassion and understanding. These decisions are tough, particularly when they concern your health, and especially if the condition has been with you chronically. Keep doing deep breaths. Keep going. Maybe the colour is changing. Maybe the intensity is reducing. Just keep your attention on that spot. What if I don't need to make this decision today? What if I can step away for the rest of the day and take a moment to show my body that it's not urgent? What if I can do something for myself that I can enjoy and be at peace? That if I give myself some time, maybe even sleep on it, that I will come to this decision with more clarity instead of pressure, overwhelm, or panic. I deserve to make this decision from a place of calm and peace. Maybe I can choose gratitude for having multiple options to choose from and allow myself the time I need to gather more information, to feel confident in my decision. What if I can make a decision that is holistic for my individual needs? What if I can begin to trust my body and that it will show me the direction it wants to take? Maybe I can begin to also trust in something higher than myself, in God, the universe, or simply a higher version of myself in the future. What if I can trust that the decisions I make are not wrong if they come from a place of good intention, and that any choice I make is the right one for me? Any remaining doubt, I let it dissolve. Any remaining pressure, I release it now. I am worthy of healing, and I can trust the process. Deep breath with me now. I know that these things can seem overwhelming, but come back to this video if you need to and repeat as many times as needed until you feel a shift in the intensity, a reduction in that pressure, in that overwhelm, whatever feelings come up when you think about making these decisions. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep tapping.